Be strong.
Hi there guys, and welcome to this new video. In the previous video we made our maps in Photoshop. In this video guys, we're gonna be taking a look at how to set stuff up in Modo and finally export it and use it in Substance Painter. Okay, let's jump right into it. Alright, so first of all guys, I think it's important for you to know that you'll need this package here. So I put a link down below in the description and you can download it from there. You will need this macro here as well. That allows you to place your decals onto your mesh just by one click of your mouse. Let's have a look at this a little bit closer. In this section guys, it's a very simple one. In this section I'm setting my snap system to false, except for this line which is true and this which is true as well. Then I'm copying the selected decal and paste it in place, and this is the most important one. Here I'm calling a script which is inside this package here. Okay, let's go ahead, and here I'm turning on my push tool and set the distance at 0.001, and then I'm applying, and here I'm turning on my gizmo or manipulator on, and finally I'm turning on my local axis in order to easily move my decals around my mesh. Okay, and that's it. So now I'm gonna bring in a simple cube. Hold down shift and left mouse click on this. Perfect. So I'm not gonna waste any time guys modeling a complicated 3D model for this. The goal of this is just to show you my decals inside Unreal Engine 5. So what I'm gonna do now is scale it down, scale this down just like that, and freeze the scale. I'm gonna go to edge mode and select this guy here. I'm gonna add a loop right here and select this polygon here. Hit B on the keyboard and extrude this just a little bit, just like that. And I'm gonna bevel this just like this. Okay. So because I want to implement a face weighted normal technique, what I'm gonna do is select all the relevant edges here. I'm gonna bevel that out just a little bit, something like 5 millimeters, guys. Okay, perfect. Okay. So now let's go here. Let's go to shading tab. I should have my material here. I don't have my material here. Oh, let's assign a new material here. Hit M on the keyboard and let's call it cube. That's creativity, guys. Cube. Okay, and click OK. Let me grab this underneath my shader and select this material here, and then go to properties and in material tab. Let me close this. Let's go down here. You want to make sure that weight by polygon area is ticked. Okay, and just deselect this, and now we're good to go. So let me hide this for now, and let's add a plane to my scene. Hold down shift and left mouse click on this. Okay, so now it's time guys to load our image. Okay, let's go to shading tab and let's assign a material to this called Decals 7. Okay, let me bring this here. Okay, and then you want to go to add layer, load image, and we're gonna need the normal map and the mask. for now. Okay, so let's load first this one right here. Okay, let's change this to normal. Yes to all. Yeah, perfect. There we go. So let's add another layer. Sorry, another image. Type load image. And let's bring in the mask this time. Open. And now you want to set this stencil. Okay, stencil. Click on this and make sure to tick invert your mask, otherwise you won't even see your decals. Okay, right, I'm gonna go ahead, guys, and I'm gonna cut my decals, and that's why I use my grid in Photoshop. That allows me to perfectly cut my decals into 16 pieces. Okay, so let's go to edge mode and select this guy here, and I'm gonna cut it here in the middle. Hold down shift and cut here, and another loop here, and the last one here. Okay, then select this guy here.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet next to me. I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Coming out with a statement. You really changed, man, all your music and arrangement. You don't know shit, shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate. For taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future, we all start losers. We're all late bloomers, gotta struggle through the sewer. What you say? Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
Okay, this is the mask, and this is the diffuse map. Okay, perfect. So let's put this sticker here. Okay, I'm gonna scale this just a little bit. that. I'm gonna cut off the unnecessary parts, just like this and this, and delete them. Okay. Unmerge. Perfect. I'm gonna hide this, and then select both and merge them together. Okay. Perfect. So now we can export this and use it in Substance Painter. Okay, and so let's go here. Let's go to Game tab. Let's have a look at the presets here. Unreal Static, export selection. So leave it everything as it is, at its default, and click on Export. I'm gonna save this on my desktop. I'm gonna call this Decals. And click on Save. Perfect. So that's it for this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one, and take care.
Strong.